see that?
I see that.
What is that?
Looks like he's wearing a robe.
Should we get closer?
No.
Okay, let's do it.
No. Just go fast. Ew.
What is that? See, it almost looks like he's looking at us. Let's get out of here. I don't know. Let's get out of here.
Weird.
I don't know. We're gonna have to back up out of here. Is that it again?
Yeah.
Why does it look like it's following?
He keeps appearing.
I'm gonna roll the window down.
No.
Hello?
Look at us. No.
Okay, we're fine, we're fine. You okay?